તો મહત્વના સમાચાર મળી રહ્યા છે. નજર કરીએ મહત્વના સમાચાર પર. બોર્ડના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે પરીક્ષા પે ચર્ચાનો કાર્યક્રમ યોજવામાં અભિનેત્રી દીપિકા પાદુકોણ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સાથે વાતચીત કરી. તો દીપિકા પાદુકોણનું સંબોધન દીપિકા પાદુકોણે તેમાં સંબોધન કર્યું હતું. પરીક્ષામાં આંક જ બધું નથી હોતા તેવું દીપિકાએ કહ્યું હતું. મેન્ટલ હેલ્થ પર વાત કરવી પણ જરૂરી છે તેવું દીપિકાએ કહ્યું હતું.
आप दीपिका से सवाल पूछ सकते हो. रेडी? पहला क्वेश्चन कौन पूछेगा? ओके, आप पूछो.
मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि परीक्षा के लिए, परीक्षा में अच्छे अंक लाने के लिए हमारे अभिभावक, हमारे अध्यापक हम पर बहुत दबाव डालते हैं, तो कृपया आप बताएं कि हम इन दबावों का सामना कैसे कर सकते हैं.
I think focus on the things that you can control. जैसे am I prepared or not? वो मेरे कंट्रोल में है. Feeling stressed the night before, talk to your parents about it. या अपने टीचर से बात करो. Identifying the cause of your stress and expressing it with somebody who you trust. That could be one of the ways of dealing with stress. क्या मैं मेडिटेशन या थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज कर रही हूँ, वो मेरे कंट्रोल में है.
अगला सवाल किसका है?
My question to you is that what are your mantras of success which I can follow?
I think couple of things. One is clarity कि मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में. दूसरी बात ये है कि वो conviction होना कि I am capable of doing this. मैं कर सकती हूँ. Will I fail along the way? Will I make mistakes? 100% I will. It's not going to be smooth sailing. And most importantly, have fun.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप पूछना चाहेंगे?
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि ऐसी क्या इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ को ठीक रखने के लिए.
First of all, I would focus on sleep. Sleep एक सुपर पावर है जो फ्री में मिलता है. I think sleep is a very important part of good mental health. Adequate sunlight, बाहर जाना, to get some fresh air, to just get some daylight could help with your mental health. So always reach out for help.
Okay, now we come to the next section where we take questions from international students from CBSE schools abroad.
वर्तमान में जनरेशन Z और अल्फा को जो बढ़ती चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, उससे संबंधित मेरा यह प्रश्न है कि हम परीक्षा और प्रतिस्पर्धा के भारी दबाव के बीच मानसिक शांति और संतुलन को कैसे बनाए रख सकते हैं?
See again, I think एक दूसरे के साथ compete करना या comparison होना it's a part of life. And again, competition is not bad thing really, but to recognize our strengths and our weaknesses, to focus more on our strengths and to work on our weaknesses is probably the only way to do it. I think as long as you realize and able to recognize कि जो भी whoever we consider competition, right? What can we learn from them? And how can I, what can I do differently? I'm always competing with, I know it sounds like a cliche, but I'm always competing with myself. If I did a particular scene a certain way, अगली बार जाके, set पे जाके, how can I do it differently? How can I do it better?
अपने आप को चैलेंज करना.
अपने आप को challenge करना. That's how I would approach it.
क्या बात है. Fantastic. अब प्रोग्राम नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाने वाला है क्योंकि अब दीपिका हमें एक मास्टर क्लास देने वाली है.
मैं एक एक्टिविटी करना चाहूंगी आप सबके साथ. आप सबको एक छोटा सा पेपर और पेन दिया जाएगा. So I want you all to visualize one strength. that all of you think you have and write it down. If you think you have more than one strength, please write it. Done. Now I'm going to request all of you to come up one by one and put it up on this board. And I'm going to write mine in the meanwhile. How amazing this activity is that if you actually sit down and think about your strengths and not focus on your weaknesses, you realize there are so many things that you're actually good at. You've said expressing on paper, story writing, providing comfort. And I think that is so amazing, Jui, because very often we're only concerned about how we can express ourselves. Anubhav Kumar ne likha hai, I believe in myself and leadership. So I think this just goes to show a very simple activity that we literally did in a couple of, I won't even say minutes, in a couple of seconds. This is a great activity. Just shift your mind on, okay, what are the things that I'm good at? What are my strengths? And automatically you start feeling like a different person. Did you find this exercise useful? Yes, ma'am. Okay, great.
लेकिन अभी एक प्रॉब्लम है, एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं, तो कोई ऐसा आप हैक बताएं कि हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट